Hey everybody, it's Sal Governale from Big Meals, Small Places. I know we're locked up right now from this pandemic, but I have a quick and easy quarantine meal. Chicken fried rice, and it's amazing. Yes, we're breaking the rules. It's not in a toaster oven, but you know what? During this pandemic, anything goes. So check it out.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Okay, so take an 8-ounce chicken breast, salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, a little splash of olive oil, a splash of soy sauce. Throw it in the oven, 400 degrees for about 10-12 minutes until it's nice and cooked. Boil your rice about 3 cups. Chop up your chicken once it comes out of the oven. Dice it up nice, and then throw it into a bowl. Take about 3 tablespoons of butter, and then from there I crush 2 fat cloves of garlic over the butter, medium heat. Get those cloves nice and crushed, or you could chop it up with a knife. Get it nice and brown, that garlic. That's the key, over medium heat. Stir it, get it nice and brown, and from there, throw in about 3/4 of a cup of chopped white onion. Work that for another 3, maybe 4 minutes, low to medium heat. Add 2 eggs, crack them, scramble them up in the butter and the garlic and the onion. Give it a good scramble there until it's nice and stiff, like scrambled eggs. And then from there, you're going to add a good sprinkle of salt and some fresh ground black pepper. Once that is done on medium to low heat, add your cooked rice and, sesame seeds, which are optional. So throw the sesame seeds in there if you have them. If not, it's so fine. Don't worry about it. Then add your cooked rice. I use brown rice. Cook it for about a half hour. Boil it and then let it sit for 10 minutes. Mix that brown rice in with your egg mixture, your garlic, your butter, your onions, and those sesame seeds. Give it a good toss on medium to medium-low heat. And now take the chicken that you shredded in the bowl and throw that in. And give that a good mix. Give it a good, nice toss. Toss it up all together. And now your soy sauce. Just a light sprinkle over the top. Cover it with a light sprinkle. Don't go crazy because you can't take out, but you can always add more. Add that soy sauce and give it a really good mix. And at this point here, I'm at low heat. So low heat with that. Toss that up nice. Incorporate all those flavors. And here's another option. You can add frozen corn or frozen peas to this as well. I'm going to add some frozen peas. They're frozen, but you're on low heat, and these peas are going to cook real fast. So take those peas, put them into the pot, and then give those peas a stir for about a minute or so, and then let it sit for an additional minute. And from that point, you have delicious, gorgeous hibachi chicken fried rice. So easy, so quick, and absolutely delicious. This makes about a good 4 to 5 servings. Enjoy, everybody.